Hello everyone, this is Joe Fuentes Vlog at your service wherever you are. Anyway, I'm suited for Owen's TV post. So make Owen, loads Owen or whatever. Thankful kung gin-post mo mga amo sina. It's because I have noticed that every social media influencer has its own content, right? But actually, if he considered himself that he is a famous whatever he do, kung ano man yon, ang importante, ara kitaya sa aton yung focus lang sa aton nga content or whatever content we have. And actually, that's the matter of fact na siguro yun din ang kaniyang content. So whatever content we have as a social media influencer, kakari lang, kaya lang yan. Hayaan mo na sila. Baga, we just focus on in our content, kung ano man yun, comedy o motovlog or whatever it takes, kung ano man yung mga content natin. Ang importante, golden heart ang aton pagatag, because as far as I know that we all have its own guarantee to prove ourselves na we can give to everyone our supports, not in a scripted way, okay? But all social media influencer has its own different content, whatever they do. Ang importante lang, impossible nga ma-choose mo gid ang mga self as maghaliluya ang lahat ng tanan nga tawo sa aton, di ba? So baga, we can moving forward whatever blog we have, or what it means, all we can do our own content, whatever it is. And of course, I'm very thankful nga I read your post, or I saw your post this morning. I'm glad to see that, because as I noticed also that every influencer has his own content, and of course, as we all know that every one of us are select some our blog, whatever it is. The important is on how we deliver it, and we can moving forward as long as we are in good heart to prove to everybody that we are genuine heart to make our blog continued to spread happiness to everyone. As a Negros bloggers, there are many bloggers in Negros Occidental, as far as we know, that they are probably maintaining their content, whatever content it is. But for me, I do not worship anything. Ano man yun. It's because, as I noticed also, that although we are a social media influencer, we are reflections of anyone or anybody all around the world, not here in the Philippines. But what we prove to ourselves that we can carry on no matter what happened, it is good or it is bad. The important thing is make a genuine heart, genuine ang heart, okay? It's because many of us has a prideful image also, but for me, I do not grant it if it is you are what they call this, if you are transparent social media influencer. Although some of us containing content with debate or whatever it takes, but hindi ako nakikialam, wala akong pakialam sa kanila, whatever it is, I can focus my attention, I can moving forward whatever it is, and kung ano man ang himuon ko sa akong self. I'm humbling towards success. If it is bad, I can shift anything that I can do. The important is we must be fair in our own self. Kung ano man yun. Hayaan mo sila, hayaan mo siya, hayaan mo kung ano man ang content nila. The important thing is we can moving forward what it is. Good or bad, we'll learn from it. Kung ano man yun. Hindi kuya gusto yung nga mag-hallelujah tanan nga tao sa akon. Ay, normal lang kuya nga tao. As for business social media influencer ko, damo ka pa picture, damo ka maamo ni wala kuya ka pabukal sa hulingon ko. Ang importante, sincero ang imo nga tagipusoon sa imo nga mga kapwa tao. Amo lang na kasimple. Na nag-start ko yung social media influencer, hindi kay para lang nga sa hulingon ko kag i-prove sa self nga panghata ko kwarta nga dako kag damo-damo. I know. Hindi, it's because I must do myself as a sincere person who I am. Wala na. Thank you so much to all you guys and I love you all. Mwah.